Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate USA travel guide, a journey through the most iconic destinations, hidden gems, and cultural hotspots across the United States. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, this guide will help you explore the best of America, from bustling cities to breathtaking natural wonders. So, grab your passport, pack your bags, and let's get started on this unforgettable adventure. The United States of America is a vast and diverse country, offering something for every type of traveler. From the skyscrapers of New York City to the serene landscapes of the Grand Canyon, the USA is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know to plan your trip, including top destinations, cultural insights, travel tips, and more. Why visit the USA?
The USA is a melting pot of cultures, landscapes, and experiences. Here's why it should be on your travel bucket list. Diverse landscapes. From beaches to mountains, deserts to forests, the USA has it all. Rich culture. Experience the unique
Blend of traditions, cuisines, and lifestyles across different states. Iconic landmarks. Visit world-famous attractions like the Statue of Liberty, Golden Gate Bridge, and Yellowstone National Park. Foodie paradise. Indulge in regional delicacies like New York pizza, Southern BBQ, and California sushi. Top destinations in the USA. Here are some must-visit places to include in your USA travel itinerary. New York City, New York Times Square, Central Park, Statue of Liberty, Broadway shows. The city that never sleeps is a hub of culture, entertainment, and history. Grand Canyon, Arizona South Rim, Grand Canyon Skywalk, hiking trails. One of the world's most stunning natural wonders. San Francisco, California Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz Island, Fisherman's Wharf. A vibrant city with a mix of history, culture, and scenic beauty. Miami, Florida South Beach, Art Deco Historic District, Everglades National Park, perfect for beach lovers and party enthusiasts. Las Vegas, Nevada the Strip, Fremont Street, Hoover Dam. The entertainment capital of the world. Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming Old Faithful, Grand Prismatic Spring, wildlife spotting. America's first national park is a nature lover's paradise. Understanding USA culture. The USA is a cultural mosaic, and each state has its own unique identity. Here are some cultural insights to keep in mind. Diverse population. The USA is home to people from all over the world, making it a melting pot of traditions and cuisines. Regional differences. The East Coast is known for its fast-paced lifestyle, while the West Coast is more laid back. The South is famous for its hospitality and comfort food, festivals and events. Don't miss iconic events like Mardi Gras in New Orleans, Thanksgiving parades, and 4th of July celebrations. Travel tips. For visiting the USA, planning a trip to the USA? Here are some tips to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. Visa requirements. Check if you need a visa to enter the USA. Best time to visit. The USA is a year-round destination, but spring, March, May, and fall, September, November, offer pleasant weather. Transportation. Renting a car is the best way to explore, but cities like New York and Chicago have excellent public transport. Currency. The US dollar, USD, is the official currency. Tipping culture. Tipping is customary in restaurants, hotels, and taxis. 15–20% is standard. Hidden gems in the USA. While iconic destinations are a must-visit, don't overlook these hidden gems. Sedona, Arizona, known for its red rock formations and spiritual vibe. Savannah, Georgia, a charming southern city with historic architecture. Asheville, North Carolina, a hub for art, music, and outdoor adventures. Portland, Maine, famous for its lobster rolls and coastal beauty. USA travel itinerary ideas. Here are some sample itineraries based on your travel style. City lovers, New York, Chicago, Las Vegas, San Francisco. Nature enthusiasts, Yellowstone. Grand Canyon, Yosemite, Great Smoky Mountains. Beach bums, Miami, Honolulu, San Diego, Outer Banks, USA. Travel on a budget. Traveling in the USA doesn't have to break the bank. Here are some budget-friendly tips. Accommodation. Stay in hostels, motels, or Airbnb. Food. Eat at local diners and food trucks. Free attractions. Many museums and parks offer free entry on certain days. Final thoughts. The USA is a land of endless possibilities, and this travel guide is just the beginning of your adventure. Whether you're exploring iconic landmarks or discovering hidden gems, every corner of America has a story to tell. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your USA trip today and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the USA. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Travel for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels.